Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I'm going to make a quick succulent garden as a Valentine's gift for a sweet friend. Most everything I got to create the actual garden is from the Dollar Tree, and then of course all the succulents are my own. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working with. Okay, these are a bunch of succulent cuttings that I took before winter started. I cut back a lot of my succulents, tucked these into some dirt, and I've just been keeping an eye on them. When it's sunny outside, I'll take them out. When it's getting too cold, I'll bring them in. They've turned out real good. All I did is I cut them and then I stuck them in, and look at that root system that they have created. Fabulous. Looking really good. If you guys didn't catch that video on how to winterize your succulents, be sure to check that out for me. Simple, easy. I love seeing what they've come up with. Look at that. And this was I just stuck the ends in here. So no big deal. So I'm going to be working with a lot of those that I already have. I'm also going to be working with some of these guys, some string of pearls, string of dolphins, and this is a lemon balm cacti, I think, but I could be wrong. I'll have to look that up again. And I got these from an Etsy grower. I'll put that information in my drop down info under the video for you guys to check it out. Good price. They all came very well packaged, very quickly. I had them within a week, and I'm very happy with the price and the quality of product that I received. Secondly, I'm going to be working with this clear glass container that I got at the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm also going to be working with this double-sided tape from the Dollar Tree and this lace ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well. And then I'm also going to be working with these white kind of quartz stones from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be working also with a cacti succulent soil that I'm going to be putting in here. But yeah, let me take you guys through the process and show you how easy this all is. Okay, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all my videos. And if you're an old friend, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when all my latest videos are up. Okay, so obviously this is fairly simple. I put the two-sided tape all the way around the glass vase, then I went back with the lace on top of it, secured it all the way around. This should pull off fairly easily if my friend decides that she wants to have just clear and remove the lace, but I love that I could just add this little bit of detail. So the glass vase, the double stick tape, and the lace, it was all a total of $3. Next, I put a layer of the white rock down. In hindsight, I wish I had put the white rock and then put a layer of moss and then put my soil on. That would have prevented the soil from all seeping down into the white rock and would have kept nice, even layers. So that is something you might want to consider when you're doing this on your own. I was able to break up this string of pearls into a couple of plants, which is fabulous. When you are planting the succulents in this design, just move the soil aside, put the succulent in place, and then push the soil back and firmly against the roots to hold it where you want it. Succulents are very resilient. You can push them, maneuver them, tuck them in, and they'll do fabulous. I kind of worked around the edges and then worked towards the center as I continued my planting. Okay, feel free to use gloves when planting the cactus. My fingers are just super callous, so it doesn't typically bother me all that much for something as soft as this particular cactus. But, definitely don't try it if it's not something you're wanting to pull out a little stingers pulling out of your fingers over time. I loved going back and using some of the smaller succulents to tuck into negative spaces. I thought it worked really well. It made the plant look really, really large. And I love the detail of those itty bitty ones. I absolutely loved how this design turned out. I love the detail. I love all the different succulents tucked in there. It's just so unique and interesting. If my friend wants to, it'll be super easy for her to take apart. It's also super easy to water it with a little syringe, something, just that tucks in between the succulents and is able to water from below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you know about my videos. And as always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be.